Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have our weekly Google Chrome security update. It has been released not very long ago. It seems that, they aren't mentioning any specific day, but we are seeing that for a second week in a row, it's on a Tuesday. So wonder if this is going to keep up on Tuesdays, or it's just depending on the week. It could be a different day. Like I said, there's no official, wording as to a specific day, but they do say once a week. So if you're on Google Chrome, go and get your weekly security update. You go to Chrome, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots. You go into Help and to About Google Chrome. If you're on Mac and Linux, you'll be pushed to 116.0.5845.140. On Windows, you could be on 140 or 141 like I am. And it contains only one, but it's a high severity security flaw that has been fixed for, has to do with some media type viewing, or it's probably some flaw, that is in here for something about, media that you can play within the browser itself. So only one. So this shows you when they do a weekly update how it's going to be sometimes very small. And it, of course, is the weekly security patch for the Google Chrome browser. It's extremely important to stay up to date. This is the #1 way you stay safe. Without security updates, your systems are not safe. I get that all the time from people saying, well, I got a good antivirus. Well, if you think like that, you really don't understand what security is all about. So 116.0.5845.140 or 141, one security update, high severity, and it's available now for Google Chrome and our weekly update. Of course, if you have Brave, Edge, Vivaldi, Opera, and so on, there should be a update this week also that includes this single security update for your web browser, which of course is a Chromium-based browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.